What's the meaning of au gratin? Au gratin. Au gratin.
Au gratin. Au gratin. Au gratin is a French term used to describe a dish that is topped with breadcrumbs, cheese, and/or butter and then baked or broiled until it forms a crispy, golden brown crust. This technique is commonly used to enhance the flavor and texture of dishes such as potatoes, vegetables, and seafood. The result is a dish with a deliciously crispy and cheesy crust that provides a satisfying crunch and depth of flavor. The term au gratin has become synonymous with this type of preparation style, which adds an elevated touch to classic dishes.